Making money on Clickbank as a beginner is a great way to get started in affiliate marketing. Clickbank is an online marketplace that connects digital product creators with affiliate marketers who can promote those products and earn commissions. Here's how you can get started. Create a Clickbank account. The first step is to sign up for a Clickbank account. It's free to create an account, and once you've signed up, you will have access to a wide range of products to promote. Choose a product to promote. Browse the Clickbank marketplace and find a product that suits your interests and audience. Look for products with good commissions and a high gravity score, indicating popularity and sales potential. Get your affiliate link. Once you choose a product, you will receive a unique affiliate link. This link tracks any sales made to your referral, allowing you to earn a commission on each sale. Promote the product. Promote the product using social media, blogs, email marketing, or paid ads. You can create content like reviews, tutorials, or blog posts that highlight the product's benefits. Earn commissions. When someone purchases the product through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. The more you promote, the more you can earn.